Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. We are standing right at the edge of a massive, rapidly unfolding shift in how money is actually made across the globe. Today, we're going to look strictly at the data behind this whole new digital economy. We'll unpack the tools, the people, and the massive tech giants who are all converging on this one undeniable trend. Let's dive right in.
Section 1, the 2026 AI economy, waking up to wealth.
In 2026, some Americans are making money while they sleep using AI. Now, what is really fascinating about this projection is the total paradigm shift it represents. For generations, the formula has been super straightforward, right? You trade your time for money. You work a set number of hours, you get paid for exactly those hours. But this completely shatters that model. We're looking at a near-future reality where the old constraints of physical labor and, well, literally being awake, no longer limit your earning potential. The heavy lifting is being automated. Passive income isn't just a buzzword for real estate moguls anymore. It's becoming this highly accessible reality driven entirely by artificial intelligence. Moving on to Section 2, the solopreneur revolution, the one-person empire.
Historically, if you wanted to scale a company, you had to scale your headcount. You needed a web developer, a video editor, maybe an operations manager, and honestly, there was immense friction there. Payroll, hiring, management, the whole shebang. But in this new digital economy, that friction completely vanishes. Individuals are now using AI tools to create those exact same videos, build those exact same websites, and run entire online businesses without hiring a single employee. The barriers to entry have literally plummeted to zero. The operational power of a full-blown team now sits right there on a single laptop, managed by just one person. It's wild.
And the modern worker's new toolkit is incredibly diverse. Everyday people are out there launching automated side hustles across the board. They're spinning up totally functional, beautiful websites in seconds or building complete online businesses right from scratch. But, it goes way beyond just creative tasks. People are deploying AI as this highly precise research assistant that can parse through absolute mountains of stock market and crypto data in milliseconds. That level of complex analysis used to take a whole floor of analysts, and now instantly available to the everyday solopreneur.
A super fascinating micro trend emerging from all this is the faceless YouTube short. Basically, individuals are generating highly engaging, fully automated video content where a human being is never even seen on screen. Seriously, the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the editing, all of it is orchestrated entirely by AI tools. It's essentially a completely automated content creation machine. And the financial impact here is staggering. Creators utilizing these faceless, automated systems are earning thousands of dollars every single month. This isn't just some theoretical exercise or a neat little pilot program. It is a fully validated, highly lucrative reality for a solo creator who simply learned how to leverage the right tools. Thousands a month, completely independently. Just let that sink in for a second.
Which brings us to Section 3, Big Tech's billion-dollar bets. The giants weigh in.
So, while solopreneurs pulling in thousands of dollars is super impressive on a micro level, it kind of pales in comparison to the macro scale. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google aren't just, passively observing this trend. They're aggressively funding it. The staggering takeaway here is that both the teenager in their bedroom and the massive conglomerates in Silicon Valley are acting on the exact same thesis. They are playing the exact same game, just at vastly, vastly different scales.
We are talking literally billions of dollars being poured into artificial intelligence. And look, you don't invest billions of dollars on a whim or some passing fad. These companies are making these astronomical investments because they know a fundamental truth. The future is changing, and it's changing fast. They are out there building the infrastructure, essentially the picks and the shovels for this modern digital gold rush, because they know the very foundation of the global economy is being rewritten right now.
Section 4, the AI ultimatum. The cost of ignoring the future.
People who ignore AI today may fall behind tomorrow. Now, this isn't just about missing out on a neat new gadget. It's an existential, binary choice for professionals and businesses alike. The efficiency gains we've just looked at, the automated research, the totally frictionless content creation, the employee-free operations, they create an insurmountable gap. If your competitor is using AI to do the work of 10 people in literally half the time, and you're just sticking to the old way, well, you won't just be slower. You will be obsolete. The AI money era has already started. We so often talk about AI in the future tense, right? Like what it will do, how it will change things someday. But the data, the massive corporate investments, and these solopreneurs pulling in real everyday profits, they prove that this gold rush isn't just on the horizon. It has already begun.
The tools are out there right now. The tech giants have laid the groundwork, and everyday people are already capitalizing on it. The AI money era is here, folks. So I guess the only remaining question for us is, will you use it? Or are you going to just watch others get rich first?